You should push a plunger slowly at first before using more force to avoid splashing dirty water and to create effective suction. Start by positioning the plunger so the bell covers the drain, opening evenly and rests flat against the surface to form a seal. Push down slowly several times to expel trapped air and to let the cup conform to the shape of the drain. This initial slow motion is what creates a full vacuum when you alternate with pulls. After 3 to 5 slow presses, increase your rhythm and force in steady, controlled strokes rather than sudden hard thrusts. That sustained pressure transmits through the clog and moves water without breaking the seal. If you feel the cup lose its grip, stop and reseat the plunger rather than pounding harder, because a broken seal wastes effort and causes splatter. For toilets, use a flange plunger and ensure water covers the bell by at least 1 inch to improve hydraulic transfer of force. For sinks, plug the overflow or second basin so pressure does not escape and you get more effective results. Common mistakes are starting with violent jerks, which causes dirty water to splash and spreads contamination, so begin gently and build force gradually. Another issue is not creating a proper seal, which wastes effort and causes mess, so reseat the plunger and ensure the cup is clean and flexible before continuing. A third concern is using too little water in a toilet or sink, which prevents pressure transfer, so add enough water to submerge the plunger cup by about 1 inch, so each stroke moves water through the obstruction. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and letting people post requests. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and compare approaches so everyone can learn from each other.